Hello, I'm with J&M Reviews, and today I am very excited to talk about this brand, Keranique. So this was a free sample of shampoo and conditioner, 8 ounces each, and I would like to talk about it. Look at my hair. It has volume, it has shine. I just blow dried it, but it's awesome. So this is the shampoo. This is how it looks. And I like the benefits that it has. It's clear. I like it because it strengthens hair follicles, stimulates scalp, creates healthy foundation for growth, and reduces shedding, which is true because I did notice in the shower I shed less hair. And then after doing two rounds of shampoo, I like to apply the Keranique conditioner. I like to use them both together, obviously, so they work better. This is how it looks. And I like it because it gives me that volume, it strengthens the hair follicles, reduces signs of shedding, and is very lightweight, as you can see here. My follicles are like just plump in my hair. It looks so shiny. I hope you enjoyed the review and I hope you check them out because they are my best shampoo and conditioner set that I have at the moment. Thank you for watching.